Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change voice speed in ElevenLabs. So for some reason, if you cannot see a speed slider inside ElevenLabs, then what you can do is simply uh, reduce the model. So you can see we are currently using V3 alpha and we can switch to V2 alpha. Now before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off onto subscriptions of ElevenLabs. Once you switch on to that, you can see we have the speed slider. You can decrease it, and this is going to be affecting your text to speech. So whatsoever you're going to be generating is going to be much slower. So if you type in here anything that you like, so let's just say if you choose something from your history and you are going to be adding, let's just
Once
say,
it asks to choose a
yeah, this is, we can simply add anything from the text. So let's just type in here, this is how to slow your audio, and let's just generate this. Head over to settings, make sure the speed is slow, generate speech, and now you will
This
be
is
seeing,
how to slow your audio.
you can see this is much slower. I hope this helps. See you around in the next video.